Welcome to the video tutorial of IPCA's admin panel. Log into the admin account. Here you can see many options. First we'll go to ads. The admin can see all ads in this section. He can perform actions like activating them, deactivating them, editing them or deleting them. On clicking this activate deactivate button, if the ad is active it will become deactive, and if it is deactive it will become active. If it is made deactive by the admin, the user won't be able to make it active again. In view edit section, he can edit a ad. Suppose that particular shortage or surplus contains some inappropriate section. Then I will go to category. In category section, the admin can add new category by clicking on this add new link. It will open a pop-up wherein he has to select a category. If he wants his category to be parent level, he has to select root level. But if he wants that category to be under some other existing category, he needs to select those category, enter the new category name, title. If he wants to upload any image, he can select that image by clicking on this file uploader. Then meta keywords and description. The description can be maximum of 200 characters. Then that particular category will appear here. Then we'll go to banners. Here you can see there are many tabs relating to banner. The first tab is banner limits. Admin can set banner limits for each position so that the user can upload maximum number of banners equivalent to that limit. Then we'll go to banner pricing. Admin can set the prices for each position, which are at present 5,000 for header, 5,000 for footer, 2,000 for left, 3,000 for right, and 3,000 for right bottom. And he can view individual positions by clicking on corresponding tabs. Here you can see in header section he can see all the banners which are posted by the sellers under header position. He can make them disable, he can make them active again, he can change the URL, the alternate text of that image. The URL will be the target URL, which means the page to which a user will be redirected on clicking that particular banner. Same is for all other positions. Then we'll come to this news section. This news section will appear in the index page right hand side. If admin wants to notify the website visitors about some news related to IPCA, he can post news here. He needs to click on add news. It will take him to this page where he can add a title to his news and the source. Suppose he is taking it from some other source, he can enter that source name, small description which will appear along with the title in the index page, and detailed description which will appear whenever the user will visit that particular news page. He can manage the website user by using this panel. Here you can see the table is showing all users, and admin can perform different operations on them. Suppose the user wants to change his email ID and enter a new one, he can ask the administrator to update it. For updating it, the administrator needs to click on this update link. On clicking it, that corresponding email will get populated in the email field. He needs to change it and click on update email. This will generate a new password and will send to the new email ID. Suppose in between admin wants to send some mail to users, he can use this option. He needs to click on send mail. It will open this pop-up wherein he needs to enter the subject and body and click on send. He can see the number of free ads for each user. He can also see the status, whether the user is a genuine one or not. He can see the user's genuineness by this column, looking at this column. If the user will have a logged text upper corresponding to his name, that means that particular user is not a genuine one, and the email ID corresponding to that member code has logged it. Admin can make a user active or deactive by clicking on these links. Suppose I am making this user deactive, this user will no longer be able to log into the website. If I want to activate him again, I need to click this link. It will make him active and will show deactivate. He can edit user information by clicking on this link. He can change his first name, last name, address, country, state, city. If he doesn't want to change the password, there's no need to check this checkbox. But if he is willing to change the password of the user, he can click it here, enter the new password and click on update. It will change the user's password and will fire an email. At the top you can see two more options like export to Excel and export to CSV. This export to Excel feature will take all these users into an Excel file and the admin can save it in his local machine. Export to CSV is for forum. There is no option to register at the forum and the admin needs to upload XML file in the given format to upload new users to register at the forum. The email IDs will be taken from the corresponding XML file and passwords will be generated. We'll speak about that forum later in the later videos, but for the time being we will go on to the next section, which is functional settings. Here administrator can set mailing days, certifications, business type, member code. This business type will appear in the registration page, wherein the user can select which type of business he is doing. At present we have service and maintenance, manufacturer, consultant and service provider. Certifications also can be added from this section. I will come to the member code. As you know, this website only allows IPCS member to register. For doing that, the administrator needs to upload an Excel file in the given format to add the member codes in the database, and those member codes can be used to register at this portal. He can do it in two ways. Suppose there are many new member codes which he wants to update, he can click on this option here and upload a XLS file in the mentioned format, which will upload the member codes in the table. But if there are very few member codes which are required to be generated, he can click on this add new IPCA member. It will open this section wherein he needs to enter the company code, the company name, and an email ID. Then he needs to click on submit. It will create that member code and the user can use it for registration. I will come to global settings. Here he can set options for many things, whether approval is required for registration, for ads or not. And this free ad setting, number of days means the number of days it will be displayed in the website. Is free ad posting is limited or not? The mailing days before expiry, he can select the number of mailing days which will be used to fire emails to that particular seller before his ad will get expired. Then we'll come to account settings. The account here, the admin can change his login email ID, address. This field is used only for firing emails. This data will be used while emails are being fired, so you need to be absolutely sure before changing these fields. Admin can add the customer support phone number from this section, which will appear in the website. If he wants that number to be visible at the top section of the website, he needs to check this checkbox. He can select a maximum of one number to be visible throughout the website, and other numbers will appear in contact us page. Same is with customer support email. In this section, admin can see all the requests, that means the enquiries sent to him, and he can click on view to see the detailed description of that particular enquiry, and he can delete it.